Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you best sites to watch anime for free. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you're looking for the best websites to watch anime here for free and with no commitments, well, there are a few websites here that you may want to try. Now, the first option that you may want to try here is going to be Retro Crush Anime. Now, you can access their website directly through retrocrush.tv, and in here, you'll be able to access different or a number of anime. Now, the thing with their website, they only have, in this case, different types of retro anime. So, meaning anime that are quite old, but still one of the classics. Like, for example, we have what we call the Astro Boy, we have Hajime no Ippo, and a lot more. So basically, if you want to watch anime or retro anime, this is where you go. Now, if you want to watch other or use other platforms, well, you could also use what we call Pluto TV. Now, Pluto TV here allows you to watch different kinds of television, but the thing with this one is you could also watch anime. So if you're not aware yet. So in here, you could just go to your search bar, you can go and click on search, and just type in anime, and it will show you different options or different series that is about or is in the anime category. Now, again, this is only available on certain regions, so you may not be able to access it, but if you try using like any VPNs, you should be able to access the website. But as you can see, these are the animes. These are actually quite popular animes right now, so you can even watch them. Now, also another website that we want to try here is going to be tubetv.com. Now, 2btv.com here is a great website. So if you go to their browse section and go to their all categories here, you notice that anime is one of the categories. So if you click on it, it will show you all the animes that is being hosted on their website. And the great thing about their website here is you don't have to worry about any commitments. You could just start watching here. Even Pokemon is included in here, even JoJo Bizarre Adventure, and a lot more. But yeah, so those are the best websites that you can use right now to watch free anime, and that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.